First, align the backrest hinges into the side slots of the frame. Start with the side without the white pin, then insert the side with the pin and push the pin to lock it. Drape the seat fabric over the backrest and clip it onto both side frames. Wrap the Velcro straps around the frame, then thread the 2 bottom straps through the base and Velcro together in the center. Thread the center strap through the seat base and secure it to the Velcro on the fabric. Finally, secure the lower side straps to the frame. Attach the seat pad by first threading the center buckle through the lower slot. Next, thread the harness straps through the slots on the seat pad according to your child's height. Finally, secure the loop under the seat. Now let's install the canopy. Insert the large wire into the front rim of the canopy and the smaller wire into the back. Insert the front wire into the slots and secure cord loops. Then do the same with the back wire. Pull the fabric over the backrest and attach the Velcro on the back and sides. Pull gently on the seat area to ensure everything is securely clipped. The frame should feel rigid and complete.